If you're trying to figure out how to use JungleScout for Amazon FBA research, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to navigate JungleScout and make your product research process for Amazon FBA smooth and easy. First, let's quickly talk about why JungleScout is a game changer. It's a comprehensive tool designed specifically for Amazon sellers. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, JungleScout helps you find profitable products, analyze competition, and optimize your Amazon business. And best of all, you can try it for free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that will level up your research. Now let's dive into the key features that make JungleScout an essential tool for Amazon FBA research. When you first log into JungleScout, you'll be greeted with the product database. This is where you can search for product ideas based on a set of filters. You can specify things like category, price range, sales volume, and more. This helps you find trending products that have high demand but aren't oversaturated. Next, let's look at the product tracker. This feature lets you track competitors' products over time. You can monitor their sales, inventory, and pricing strategies, which is incredibly valuable for identifying trends and adjusting your strategy accordingly. You'll be able to see the data you need to stay ahead of the competition so you can make smarter decisions faster. Now, what about the JungleScout Chrome extension? This is one of my favorite tools and it's super simple to use. When you're browsing Amazon, you can instantly analyze products without ever leaving the site. Just click on the extension and you'll get real-time data like estimated sales, reviews, and potential profit margins. It's a huge time saver and perfect for anyone who wants to get a quick read on a product. If you're doing in-depth competitor research, the Keyword Scout tool will be your best friend. This tool helps you find high-converting keywords that will boost your listings and help your products show up in the right search results. Keyword research is one of the most important aspects of Amazon FBA. And with JungleScout's accurate data, you can make sure your listings are optimized to the max. Lastly, if you're serious about scaling, JungleScout's supplier database is a goldmine. It lets you search for verified suppliers for any product, ensuring you find reliable partners to manufacture and ship your items. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of sourcing and ensures you're building a solid foundation for your FBA business. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? It's simple. JungleScout offers an extended free trial exclusively for you if you check the link below. This means you get a hands-on experience of everything I just mentioned without paying upfront. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that JungleScout is not just a tool. It's an investment into the success of your Amazon FBA business. From finding profitable products to tracking your competition, JungleScout provides all the insights you need to grow and optimize your business. And with that free trial, you can get started today with zero risk. So, check the link below to access your exclusive JungleScout trial and start your journey to success with Amazon FBA research right now.